Organizing fairs can be stressful. But it doesn't have to be. Thanks to ProFairs. ProFairs is the online software for significantly more efficiency in your fair organization while putting an end to Excel chaos and PDF floods. The communication with your exhibitors and service providers will be a lot easier. Everything regarding your exhibitors, contacts, and their entries and orders is always tidily in one place. Many routine tasks can be covered with this software. With the built-in acquisition tool, you always know how many exhibitors are being recruited. Regardless of whether the exhibitor books a stand using a form on your website or the digital hall plan, the data ends up directly in ProFairs. With the built-in newsletter tool, you can send every exhibitor their access data for the exhibitor area. Exhibitors will find everything they need for a successful trade fair appearance in one easy and flexible tool. Place orders in the shop, manage, supplement and maintain the company profile, highlights, job entries, or lectures. The list of exhibitors on your website is always up to date, making managing them a breeze. And ProFairs can do so much more. Voucher management, ticketing, planning presentations. The software can be easily adapted to your personal workflow, has interfaces to various billing programs and a REST API, which can be connected with everything you could possibly want. Just take care of the strategic development of your trade fair. ProFairs takes care of the time-consuming routine tasks for you.